Hi Prashanth.
Hi ma'am.
How are you?
Fine ma'am. What about you?
I'm also good. So where are you from, Prashanth?
I'm from Hyderabad. Ma'am.
Okay. So what is your highest qualification?
I have completed my MBA in finance in 2023 from JBRC. Ma'am.
Good to hear that, Prashanth. So how do you know about SVC?
I got to know about SVC through internet, ma'am, and two of my friends also joined previously, and they got placed in good MNC as well.
So good. What have you learned in SVC in your 2 months of course?
I have learned in SVC about investment banking, accounting, and research analysis. In investment banking, I got real-time trading and how to pick the stocks, how to analyze the fundamental and technical analysis. In accounting, from golden rules to in-depth knowledge of accounting, and in research analysis, have learned financial statement analysis, ratio analysis, and financial services.
So
And SVC also provided jam sessions, GD, and real-time HR sessions, which are very helpful to crack the interviews.
so good to hear that, Prashanth. So can you share your interview experience with us?
Yes, ma'am. I got placed in state sheet. In that, there is a 40 minutes of interview, and most of the questions came from our subject, and have managed to answer all of them with the help of the course. And I suggest everybody to join in SVC to placed in good MNC.
So good, Prashanth. So what is the suggestion you would give to the existing students?
Attend the classes regularly and attend the HR sessions and JAM GD, which will help you to crack the interviews with effective communication. So that is my suggestion. So
Thank you so much, Prashanth. All the very best and congratulations, you got placed.
thank you.